I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 108 Top in the Allure specification. So this car's done less than 14,500 miles and is free to tax. Comes with this retractable fabric roof, keyless entry, there's 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, automatic headlights, and the car has a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.